During cold weather, we see some people trying to stay warm via various different ways. And if some of those ways aren't implemented correctly, it can not only be dangerous, it can be deadly. We have seen an increase in homeless persons utilizing RVs as domiciles. Earlier this year, we responded to a tragic incident where a family of 4 living in this vehicle were utilizing a portable gasoline generator to power a heater to keep warm. The generator exhaust caused the family inside to suffer significant carbon monoxide poisoning and killed the 15-year-old boy. Here are 5 things you need to know. Know the dangers. Portable generators produce the poisonous gas carbon monoxide, which is a colorless, odorless, tasteless gas that kills without warning. Keep generators outside, at least 20 feet away from your home, doors, and windows. Know the symptoms. Carbon monoxide causes headaches, nausea, dizziness, breathlessness, collapse, and eventually you can lose consciousness and even die. Carbon monoxide detectors. Stay alert by having a carbon monoxide alarm which will alert your family before toxic levels are reached. Leave. If you are feeling symptoms and think it's carbon monoxide, immediately evacuate all people and animals and call 911.